Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing. Zip, zilch, zero, nada. Costs you nothing, mama. Okay? Just have to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure your notification bells are turned on, honey, because the way that YouTube keeps turning off these notification bells for the people I love and watch, it just disrespectful. So just check on it for me, okay? So today we're back like we never left. Last week I told you guys about the 50-30-20 budgeting method, and I had a big eye-opening moment when I filled in the chart and realized my budget was more like 70-10 10 20 10 20, I don't know, or something like that, right? So today I want to briefly go over the rest of the budgeting, the percentage budgeting methods. I didn't want to do every single method in a video. They're pretty short and all the same, pretty much to just tell you what different percentages, where your money goes to different percentages. So let me tell you a little bit about all the different budgeting percentages that I found, that I researched. I have notes, so if you see me look away, that is what it is. And it's basically to find one that works best for you, or you can do a completely different budgeting method like a zero-based budget, which I feel really does go together with some of these budgeting styles. You can do them together, or you can do a pay yourself budgeting style, which is what we'll be talking about next week. All right, so let's jump right in here. First one is the one we already talked about, 50-30-20 budget. 50% is going to your needs, like your essentials, like your mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation. 20% is going to your wants, which is like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, shopping. 20% will be going to your savings and debt repayment, so emergency funds, investments, and paying off debt. The next different fund we have here is the 80-20 budget. So your 80-20 budget will be 80% will be spending. So all your living expenses, your wants, and other costs are all under the 80%. And then we have 20% that's going to savings. You're focusing solely on saving or investing this portion. Save, save, save. In the comments, tell me what percentage you currently save of your income. Have you thought about it? Is there a percentage of amount that you save in your currently in your budget? Let me know down below. The next one we have here is a 70-20-10 budget. I actually feel like a lot of people have this, but maybe not. So 70% is your expenses. Covering all your costs, wants, and expenditures is 70%. 20% saving and investing. So that's going to be your building an emergency fund, your investments, retirement. And then 10% is for debt repayment and charity, which is what I really like about this one. So this 10% goes to paying down debts or donating to a cause that you care about. So let me know down below, do you donate? Would you donate 10% of your budget to something you care about? I know a lot of people that they care about their religion, so they do 10% as tithes. Now, I don't know if that's considered as donating, but would you ever consider donating 10% of your money to something you care about as a normal budgeting function? So now we're moving on to number 4, which is the 60-20-20 budget. After looking at my budget, I was appalled at the percentages. I'm glad it took me off guard. Mine was like 77 to 12 to like, it was all over the place. And I don't think I'm completely happy with that. But after looking at the thought of either making more money and evening it out, or removing my car note from the equation, that would bring me closer to this next budgeting style, I believe, which is a 60-20-20 budget. So 60% is your fixed cost, so like your rent, utilities, groceries, and your essential bills. 20% is your financial goals, which is savings, investments, and debt repayment. 20% is for flexible spending. Of course, that's like eating out, non-essentials, and entertainment. Last but not least, y'all, we have the 30-30-30-10. So this is the first budgeting style, percentage budgeting style that I saw broke it up over 4 different percentages. So let me tell you about that one. 30-30-30-10 budget. 30% is supposed to go to your housing. So that's just going to include your rent, your mortgage, and your utilities. Then 30% should go to savings, so that's long-term savings or your retirement fund. Then we have 30% that is going to lifestyle, just like the sound of that. And that's groceries, dining out, and hobbies, right? And then we have 10% that's going to be for fun money. And that's going to be splurges, vacations, and entertainment. So you have 10% for fun, which we love, splurges, entertainment, vacations. Let me know down below, what would you use your 10% for? Because I feel like for me, it's always hard for me to find fun things to do. So if you had 10% of your income to do just fun things, let me know down below, what are some of the fun things that you would do? And then of course, I think what I'll do is anyone that responds to me about those 10% fun things in the comments, I'll add them on the screen when I'm talking about our next budgeting style, which is pay yourself first budget. All right, guys, that is all I have on the different percentage-based budgeting styles. Of course, these are all just numbers, and these are just all styles that people say works. If it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you. But if there's any of them that you think I just shared with you that will work for your personal lifestyle, let me know down below. Y'all, I'm always trying to hear what y'all have to say. Y'all have the great information all the time. But that's it for today's video. I look forward to reading all your comments down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here and you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and have a wonderful day, y'all. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Just love you, mean it. Bye.